Which one of the following animals is named as a living fossil where the animal is persisting over 400 million years without further major morphological evolution? King crabs, porcelain crabs, horseshoe crabs, or hermit crabs? These are the images of king crabs, porcelain crabs, horseshoe crabs, and hermit crabs. Talking about living fossils, these are extant taxon that phenotypically resembles related species known only from the fossil record. These fossils, they must be old relative to the time of origin of the extant clade. So they're basically as old as the extant clade. These show little morphological divergence, whether from early members of the lineage or among the extant species. So they look basically all the same. And lastly, they tend to have little taxonomical diversity. So few examples of living fossils on planet Earth are Nautilus here, Tuatara, coelacanth, and crocodiles. The fifth one is horseshoe crabs. These are actually archetype of living fossils. The oldest fossil is from the Ordovician period, which ranges from 488 million years ago to 443 million years ago, and that falls in line with the question. Some other characters which are associated with horseshoe crabs are Bradytelli. So basically, these show arrested evolution or evolution at very slow rate, and stabilimorphism. So stabilimorphs are basically a species of any organism that has survived the mass extinction of all other related species. So they're basically survivors. That's why they're also supposed to be called evolutionary survivors. And recent analysis have shown the presence of genetic variation and whole genome duplication in their genomes. So therefore, the answer to this question is horseshoe crabs. To know more about animal kingdom, animal diversity, and evolution, you can refer to this course offered by NPTEL.